Hey guys, NASCAR Racing 18 year. Here we have a NASCAR diecast from the Action Racing collection. We have Erik Jones's Richard Petty Motorsports car. Richard Petty's U.S. Air Force car. By the way, sorry. Anyway, let's get Erik Jones out of his box. So here's Erik Jones's Air Force car. So Richard Petty Motorsports, which is now known as Richard Petty GMS, is obviously has the number, one of their numbers is the iconic 43, which is run by Richard Petty. And Air Force has been their main sponsor throughout the 43's, well, history in this new era of NASCAR. So anyway, there's the U.S. Air Force logo. Oh, and Erik Jones moved from Joe Gibbs Racing to Richard Petty Motorsports during the 2021 season. So obviously, like I said, there was a U.S. Air Force logo on the black hood. Red and yellow on the front. And then there red and yellow crescents on the side with the slash mark that says U.S. Air Force. A symbol that represents the U.S. Air Force. His name, the check for diecast sale. There's a 360 look. It also says STP on the side for racing as well. Obviously, STP is one of the main big ones for Richard Petty Motorsports. And that's about it. Well, guys, thanks for watching this episode, and more will be out soon. Thanks for watching.